In this video, we are going to learn about the various multiplication strategies. These strategies are really useful when you are new to multiplication or you are still learning your times tables. So let's start with the first strategy or technique. It is called repeated addition. Repeated addition. Okay. We all know that multiplication is a faster way to do addition. So with repeated addition, we use the method of keep on adding till we reach to the final answer, or keep on repeating your addition process. So let's take an example. If we take the example of 2 times 3, we read it as 2 times 3. This means we are going to add 3 2 times, which will give us an answer of 6. So 2 times 3 is going to be 6. Let's take another example. 4 times 5. So 4 times 5 means we need to add 5 4 times, which makes it 4 times 5. So when we are going to add these numbers, the answer will be 20. So 4 times 5 is going to be equal to 20. Let's look at the next technique now. The next method or technique is called groups. We use the same example of 2 times 3. This means we are going to make two groups, 1 and 2, and within each group we need to place 3 objects. You can draw any object, any shape, whichever you like. Now, in total, the number of objects you get in your box are 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Let's look at the next example, 4 times 5. Now this means we need to draw 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And within each box, we are going to have 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We repeat the same. The size of the box does not matter. 5. And now if you add them up together, you draw all of them into one big box. So we place the first 5, and the next 5, the ones from the third box, and the last set. And now if you count them up, the total is going to be 20. So 4 times 5 is going to be 20. So as you can already see that by using any of the techniques, the answer is still going to be the same. Now let's move on to our next method. The third technique or method is called arrays. Okay. Arrays is simply, you can say, a box of certain rows and columns. So this one, I say this is row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. So going back to the same example, 2 times 3, the first number represents your number of rows and the second number represents the number of columns. So it means we are going to make 2 rows and 3 columns. And let's put an object in each one of them. If you wish, you can draw lines to see them clearly. So in total, how many objects you have? 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. Let's take the second method, which was the second example, 4 times 5. This means we need to have 4 rows, 5 columns, and again put an object in each one of them. You can use any picture, any number, anything, whatever you feel like to place here. I just like using triangles. So this total is going to be 20. So 4 times 5 is going to be 20. Okay. So these are the three different techniques which we learned today, which is called repeated addition, then we learned about groups and arrays. So as a practice, if you wish, you can try the following sums. So for repeated addition, let's say 3 times 7. For groups, 4 times 8 and 7 times 9. So that's all for this video. Keep watching and have fun. See you. Bye-bye.